Hey y'all, welcome back. It's Angie. I just got through cleaning up a big mess where I experimented and it just didn't work. And you're gonna have that when you start experimenting with your own stuff. Sometimes it works, sometimes it don't. So, I scooped up all the paints. I don't like to waste paint, and we're gonna just try something different. I've been seeing everybody using this marble, so I thought I'd give it a shot. Since I've got all this paint, I need to do something with it. So let's do this. This paint's just mixed up with all kind of stuff. There's no telling how it's gonna do. This is a little 12 by 12 gallery wrap. And this paint, it actually has a cloud mix in it. So I don't know how this is going to work. We'll see. I know this is a lot of paint. That's alright. I need to use it. Okay. We got our marble. First time. Let's do this. Sometimes you just have to have fun with it. See that cloud mix starting to try to do a little something something? Might have too much white. Stop right there. I'm gonna put more color. I don't want a whole gob of white. Little white's okay. It's a ton of paint now, ain't it? Let me take some of this paint off. It won't be wasted. Don't email me. I make jewelry with it, so it's all good. That's really pretty. Alright, let's run him around a little bit more. Alright. Still got a lot of paint on here, so I'm going to get rid of some. It does have GAC 800 in it, so that'll help. That's crazy. Get my corners. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of some of those bubbles. What'd I do with you? Here you are. Wow. That caused a lot of cells to pop up. That's pretty though. What do you think? It looks better than that mess I made earlier. But you have to do that to learn. I'm going to try it again. I'm not even going to say what I was trying to do. That's pretty crazy. Well, I'm going to bring you down, let you check it out, tell me what you think. Okay guys, check this out. Look, it just got very cellular. And there is no silicone in this at all. I think the floetrol, that floetrol in particular, has a lot of oil. I had another painting to get real cellular. It's still cool though, isn't it? Look at all those cells. That's crazy. You can see a little bit of the effects of the cloud mix. Not much, but a little bit. Right there. Yeah, that's crazy. I'm going to let this dry, and then I'll show you the dried result. And I'm probably going to resin it, because it's got a lot of metallics. It's interesting, nothing else. Y'all have a great day. Thanks for hanging. Later, Gators. Okay, it's the next day. It's dry to the touch. I'm going to let it cure for a couple of weeks before I resin it. But it's got some cool parts. Check this little blue right here hanging down. I thought that was pretty cool. I'm gonna have to check that floetrol. I don't know why it's got so many oils. That's pretty right there. It has some pretty parts in it. It's crazy, ain't it? I like that right there too. It looks like outer space. I like the teals. Some of them little cells look like eyeballs. But it was fun. I want to try it again without getting all the cells. Tell me what you think. If you hadn't already, hit that subscribe button. And I will check you later. Later, Gators.